Okay, I'm going to model one more problem of partitioning, and then you guys are going to solve this problem down here. You're going to solve this one by yourself, okay? So, Springback Jack and his pirate crew discovered Blackbeard's hidden treasure. Jack pulled out 8 gold coins to split between himself and his 3 closest friends. If they shared the gold coins evenly, how many coins did each person get? If they shared the gold coins evenly, what fraction of the coins did each person get? Okay? So what's the important information from this problem? He pulled out 8 gold coins to split between himself and his 3 closest friends. They shared the gold coins evenly. That is important to know there. Everyone's going to get the same amount of coins. Okay, so I'm going to draw my friends. This is Jack. Friend 1. Friend 2. Friend 3. Okay? So I'm going to put it Jack, friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. All right? So, if they shared the gold coins evenly, well, we have 8 gold coins. I know that if I share these evenly, Jack can get 1, friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. So far, each one of them only has 1 coin. But I still have 4 coins left. We have to do something with this. So Jack, friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. Okay? So each person, so Jack has 2 coins. Those are the coins. Friend 1 has 2 coins. Friend 2 has 2 coins. And friend 3 has 2 coins. All of the coins are gone. Every single friend has the same amount of coins. Okay? So each person received how many coins? Each person received 2 gold coins. But now I need to write this in a fraction. Okay? Now I need to write this in a fraction. Each person received, well, what is my denominator going to be of this fraction? If you said 8, you got it correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each friend is going to get a part out of 8 coins. Well, how many did each friend get? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So each friend received 2/8 of the coins. They received 2 coins, and then in the fraction form is 2/8 of the set of coins. Okay? So you guys are going to do something similar to this down here, and it looks like they found diamonds. So you're going to tell me how many diamonds each person received, and then you're going to tell me the fraction of the set of diamonds.